This is a setup to demonstrate the designer fade function. It gives you opportunities to fade a lamp, dim a lamp, in shot, no change of colour temperature, from I believe 1 second to 12 seconds is your choice. What I've got here is just a 2-lamp setup. It's a backlight there. And I'll set the lamp here. You can set it to do the fade. Someone triggers the button at the point when you want it. You give them a cue and it will fade down. It then puts it in a position where it's off. If you want it to fade up, that's how you set it. Press it again, it will fade up during shot. This is a demonstration of it fading up during a shot. Okay, we need a fire. I haven't got one, clearly, but I got the Neo. So, put that on, go into menu, set SFX, and there I am at settings that I always use for this. Nice thing is, because it's numeric, that's casting a nice light on our actress. But what I would like is just in the back of the room, a little bit more of this light. So I've got a second Neo here, and I just copy the numbers that are on the back. Simple as that. Fire. There you go. This setup here has got one practical lamp in. I could have done it with just the rolling case of 3 Neos. I happen to have more around, so I put a little bit more in the back wall, so I'm using 4 Neos, but strictly I could go without that one. It wouldn't make much difference. You could just do this whole scene with the 3 Neos. So I've got that one there. That's casting the light on the subject here. A little bit of front fill, and to show what she's looking at, I've got a little pool of light on here. That's my second Neo. That I've got on a tungsten setting. That's a tungsten setting on both of those with just a half orange added to it to give it a warm firelight. Nothing fierce, just a warm firelight. Camera is set to 4300. So that's 2 plus a cheat Neo. Follow me around the back. This is set to full blue. This is in the special effects functions. There's the lightning in there, which I've already adjusted and trimmed to settings that I know I like. And I've added about a half blue filter to that. So now we're almost a full blue away from the way the camera's set. That way I'm not adding too much filtration to the lamp and removing too much power out of the light. One push on the right button, there's the lightning. I simply give a command and somebody presses that. Camera's rolling. Rob? Cut. Got that. So these are the 2 components of that shot. There's the firelight, and Rob, uncover it, and that's the lightning. This setup, a character walks into the shot, sits down, turns on the television. So I've got a practical here, which makes the wall look nice but doesn't do anything for a person. So I've got one of our 3 Rotolights in here. Just on here, on a flag arm, with some doors, just a little bit of light, looks like it comes from there. A little bit of keep, that's all, I don't want anything else on there. The fire is over this side of the room, once again on a flag arm, tucked in here, not spilling all over the place because otherwise the whole set becomes active with flickering light. It's just kept on the wall, a little bit on the curtain, so there's just a little bit of action. So that's 2 lights. The third light is this one, and this is the TV mode. Just switch on, television, normally daylight on the screen, so I'll whack it right up to daylight. Set the level that I want, probably about there. Then go into the effects modes on there. Special effects, select TV. You can vary the speed that the image changes as if the scene changes on the television, fast or slow. And then there's a trigger button on there so you can turn it off. The idea being if somebody comes in, switches on the television, it comes on, and then equally it can go off just on the trigger.